Hi friends, welcome you all. Today we're going to discuss about list of the heading. So first of all, what sort of problem you're facing in the list of the heading? All right, that is about the lack of time management, confused about the answer, which heading is the right heading for the certain paragraph. And on the other hand, okay, how to do the skimming and scanning. After watching this video, you will definitely get 100% result, all right, and you get all headings correct. So stay with us, okay. So first of all right, the list of the heading, do the skimming. What is skimming? Suppose there are the paragraph A to E. All paragraph, their first line, underline their keywords, because the first line is called the topical sentence. The first sentence of each paragraph is called the topical sentence. That sentence definitely will tell you what the paragraph is about, right? And when you do within 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, skimming mean read fast, don't translate it, read fast rather than the normal routine reading. Got it? And the next is underline the keywords. The keywords will tell you what the paragraph is about, and when you read the whole passage, topical sentences, then it will be easier for you to make up your mind, to have a little bit idea. 60% idea got what the passage is about in the start, in the middle, in the end of the passage. And after that, the next step is scanning. In scanning, read it out, all list of the headings, underline the keywords. When you connect the keywords with the paragraphs, all right, this is you required, how to connect the list of the heading with the paragraph. Then move on technique, go for the next paragraph, leave the first paragraph. If paragraph B, you read it out, all right, if you get the suitable heading, all right, if not, move to the next paragraph. When you get 2 to 3 paragraph, definitely start working. You will start getting the right list of the heading for the paragraph. Friends, stay with us. Let's come to the screen and let's do the list of the heading together, and you will get which is the better option to do the list of the heading. So thank you. Now here is the screen. Okay, here we go. Now paragraph A.